Hi everyone. In this video, we'll show you how you can add maintenance windows to your Zenduty services. So navigate to your service and click on Manage and click on the Maintenance tab. Click on Add New Maintenance Window, and over here I'm going to say I'm going to call it End of the Day Backup. I'm going to choose a time zone. Maybe I'm going to operate in UTC itself. Rather, I'm just going to call it Asia Kolkata. So this is the end of the day backup maintenance, which starts at basically starts at 8 p.m. every day. And it goes on till 9 p.m. So rather, I think what I'm going to say is it starts at 5 a.m. in the morning and goes on till 6 a.m. I'm going to say that this repeats every day. So the repeat interval is 1 day, and I'm going to put this on till next year. So I'm going to go and click on the save button. And our maintenance mode has been created. So if I go and just go and refresh this page, I'll see that my service is currently under maintenance because the time here is 5 a.m. right now. I can also add multiple maintenance windows, maybe weekend DB backup. Or rather, right, so a weekend DB backup that maybe starts at Saturday at 5 a.m. to maybe 7 a.m. So I'm going to say it repeats every 7 days, and it repeats until next year. So if I go ahead and just refresh our page, you'll see that the service is not under maintenance, but it'll be in maintenance on Saturdays at between 5 a.m. and 7 a.m. Got it. So maintenance windows lets you sort of basically not get incidents while you're undergoing any maintenance operation. So any incident that is created during, or rather any alert that comes into the Zenduty system whenever your service is under maintenance will basically receive a 500 error message, and it will not come into your alert logs as well. Hope this was useful for you. Thank you for watching.